Hello everyone, my name is Soumitra and today I am going to teach you very fundamentals of Microsoft Excel. So I have this Excel sheet open in front of me and today we are going to learn five very basic functions which are very frequently used in Microsoft Excel in day-to-day life. So these so the functions which we will be learning today are how to count in Excel, how to do a sum of a range, how to find the minimum in a range, how to find the maximum in a range, and how to make average of all the values of a given range. So uh, first we will understand what is a cell. So I have selected here this box. Now this box is highlighted. This box is called C3. The column is C and the row number is 3. The intersection of this column and this row is C and 3, and this intersection of row and column is called a cell. So now we are very clear with what is called a cell. Now we will come to range. When I select multiple cells together, this selection is called nothing but a range. Now if I have values in a range and I want to know certain things out of my data. Example, the I want to know if there is a company called company ABC and this company is selling books. So I have certain questions which I want to know, like in how many countries are we really operating? So we will try to answer this question. Now I want to know how many books were really sold by this company. So we have the data and we will use the appropriate function to find the total number of books that were sold. We will try to find the minimum number of books sold. Similarly, we will try to find what is the maximum number of books that the company sold and what is the average number of books the company sold across all the countries. So we have this data set, and using this data set, we will try to answer these questions. So the first thing we are trying to find out is in how many countries is company ABC operating in. So we have the data and we will use the function called count A. So to start any formula in Excel, press equal to. Now press count A and press tab. Now if you press tab, the formula will get activated. Now it is asking you for value 1, value 2 and so on. Here you can put the range. This is our range of from which we want the output. So this is the range we have selected from cell F5 till F11. Fine. Now our range is decided. Now we will close this parenthesis using shift and 0. It will close the parenthesis. Now press enter. What this tells us that company ABC is selling books in 7 countries. Now let's move on to the next question. What is the total number of books the company has sold? For this, press equal to SUM, press tab to activate the formula. Now give Excel the range. This is the number of books the company has sold. Close the formula using shift 0, press enter. Company ABC has sold a total of 320 books across 7 countries. What is the minimum number of books the company has sold? This is also very simple. Press equal to MIN, open parenthesis using tab, input the range, close the parenthesis, and again press enter. So 19 is the minimum number of books the company has sold across all the 7 countries. The next question we are trying to answer is what is the maximum number of books the company has sold? It's as simple as the previous formula. Press equal to MAX max, input the range, close the parenthesis using shift and 0 and press enter. The maximum number of books the company has sold in any country is 89. And here we see 89 and the country was C. The next question we are trying to answer is what is the average number of books sold across all the seven countries? Now this is also very simple. Press equal to AVE RAGE average, provide the range, close the parenthesis using shift 0 and press enter. The company has sold on an average of 45 books across all the seven countries. So friends, this was a very simple example to learn the very basics of Microsoft Excel. If you like this, please hit like button and also please hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much. And if you have any questions, please post them in the comment section. I will try to answer them as soon as possible. Thank you.